Welcome to our English class, grade 6A and 6B. Okay, let us review our lesson. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English class. Before we are going to continue our lesson, we are going to review what we have learned last week. Last week we have learned on page 16. Page 16, let's learn more. A, learn the words. We have learned about the comparing. So let's look at the 4 words we have to use and we focus on this lesson. ឥឡូវយើងមើលនៅពាក្យ4ដែលពាក្យប្រៀបធៀបដែលយើងបានត្រូវប្រើវានៅក្នុងគេហៅថាការប្រៀបធៀបនៅក្នុងចំណុច Let's learn more នេះ Let's read after me កូនអានតាម teacher មក colorful colorful graceful graceful expensive expensive delicious delicious Okay, now let's look at B, the sentence. In here we have another sentence that help us to make us easy to comparing things នៅក្នុងចំណុច B នេះគឺជួយយើងឲ្យយើងអាចយល់បានពីរបៀបដែលយើងអាចប្រៀបធៀបហើយនៅក្នុងនេះយើងបានជួបជាមួយ the least, we meet the least, less than and also the most. Now let's try to read our sentence in B. Say this. ឥឡូវយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមព្យាយាមអានជាមួយគ្នានៅក្នុងចំណុច B. Say this. Number 1, the polar bear is the least colorful. The squirrel is least colorful than the frog. The frog is colorful. The fish is more colorful than the frog. The bird is the most colorful. Okay, now let's look more to our what we have learned. ឥឡូវមើលចំណុចមួយទៀតអ្វីដែលយើងបានរៀនកន្លែងនេះយើងបានរៀនរួចហើយ teacher បានធ្វើចំណុចអេកូនេះកន្លែងនេះបានផ្សេងអេកូនតើគ្នាឲ្យមែនអត់ Okay, then let's read again. តើឥឡូវបើបាន teacher ធ្វើរួចហើយយើងអានជាមួយគ្នាតែម្ដង Colorful colorful than the least colorful graceful less graceful than the least graceful expensive less expensive than the least expensive delicious less delicious than the least delicious យើងថែមអីគេឡើយនេះ more colorful than and the most colorful កន្លែងនេះការប្រៀបធៀបបែបវិជ្ជមានបានន័យថា more and the most បានន័យថា more វាច្រើនវាល្អជាងបើសិនបើ more នឹងដាក់ជាមួយនឹងបើសិនបើ more ដាក់ជាមួយ color បានន័យថាពណ៌ល្អជាងបើ more នេះដាក់ជាមួយ graceful មានន័យថារាងស្អាតជាងបើ more នេះដាក់ជាមួយនឹង expensive វាថ្លៃជាងឃើញទេបើ more នេះដាក់ជាមួយនឹង delicious វាឆ្ងាញ់ជាង the most នេះបើយើងដាក់នៅមុខ colorful បានន័យថាពណ៌ស្អាតជាងគេបងអស់អត់មានអាធៀបទេអញ្ចឹងបើយើងអា the most នេះបើយើងដាក់នៅពីមុខ graceful បានន័យថារាងស្អាតជាងគេបើវាដាក់នៅមុខ expensive វាថ្លៃជាងគេ the most ណាបើសិន the most នេះដាក់នៅមុខ delicious less colorful បើសិនវាដាក់នៅមុខ less នេះណា less colorful than បើសិនដាក់ less colorful បានន័យថាពណ៌វាអត់សូវស្អាតទេបាទអត់សូវស្អាតជាងគេអត់សូវស្អាតជាងបានន័យពណ៌វានៃអវិជ្ជមានវិញណាបើសិនដាក់ the least នេះដាក់នៅមុខ colorful ពណ៌វាបើសិនមករៀបចំដូចយើងបានធ្វើក្នុងថ្នាក់រៀនហើយគឺមាន3ពណ៌អញ្ចឹងគឺអាណាដែលអន់ជាងគេវាតាមពិតពណ៌វាស្អាតដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែវាគ្រាន់តែអាខ្លះវាអត់សូវស្អាតអញ្ចឹងតែនេះគេប្រៀបធៀបអញ្ចឹងឥឡូវយើងត្រឡប់មកនេះមើលតើយើងអានអានេះទាំងអស់គ្នាមកវិញដើម្បីអាលយើងបញ្ចូលមេរៀនថ្មីអូខេ colorful colorful គុណនាមមកដាក់មកវិញដដែលប៉ុន្តែយើងគ្រាន់តែដូរទម្រង់កន្លែងនេះទេ more colorful than colorful more colorful than the most colorful more graceful than the most graceful expensive more expensive than the most expensive delicious more delicious than the most delicious Let us continue our lesson តោះយើងបន្តមេរៀនយើងតទៀត Now let's start our lesson. Open your student book on page 16. Now you can see what's going on. នៅកន្លែងនេះកូនឲ្យនឹងមើលឃើញអំពីសកម្មភាពមួយដែលយើងមើលនៅកន្លែងនេះគេអានថាម៉េចនេះ Kate and Jenny are in the zoo gift shop. They are comparing gifts. Kate and Jenny are in the zoo gift shop. They are comparing gifts. Gifts គឺថា Kate ហើយនិង Jenny នៅក្នុងហាងលក់អំណោយហាងលក់កាដូរូបសត្វអញ្ចឹងណាបាទហាងលក់កាដូ zoo gift shop ហ្នឹងបានន័យថាហាងលក់ឧបករណ៍ដែលដូចជាសួនសត្វអញ្ចឹងប៉ុន្តែមានរូបសត្វចម្លាក់ទូចៗរូបអីដែលធ្វើពីជ័រធ្វើអីអញ្ចឹងណាច្រើនណាស់ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹង they are comparing gift បានន័យថាគេកំពុងតែប្រៀបធៀបកាដូដែលលើកកាដូលើកអំណោយដែលកំទិញហ្នឹងយកប្រៀបធៀបជាមួយគ្នាថាតើមួយណាដែលឡូជាងគេមួយណាដែលស្អាតជាងគេណាអញ្ចឹងកូនមើលតានេះឥឡូវនេះរូបភាពទី1មាននេះពាក់អាវក្រហម Katie នេះ Kate នេះកាន់អីគេណា what she's holding នេះ what she holding fish okay fish and how about this one Jenny what is she holding Jenny កាន់អីគេ Jenny កាន់ frog កាន់ frog ហ្នឹងណាកន្លែងនេះគឺទម្រង់ដែលយើងត្រូវបង្កើតសំណួរហ្នឹង we have to make question and answer about with the two things comparing ការប្រៀបធៀបរូបភាពពីរតែពីរទេណានៅកន្លែងទស្សនភាពកន្លែងនេះគឺប្រៀបធៀបតែពីរទេអញ្ចឹងកូនមើលនៅពីហ្នឹង Can you look at here between fish and frog which one is more colorful នៅរវាងត្រីនិងកែបនេះមួយណាដែលរូបភាពល្អជាងគេពណ៌ឆើតជាងគេបើតាមមើលទៅ if you look at this they are colorful right a frog is colorful fish also colorful បើយើងមើលទៅត្រីក៏ colorful frog ក៏ colorful មែនអត់ okay អញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាយើងមើលទៀត did you remember the question that we are going to use for comparing animals we use which okay now we can ask which one is more colorful which one is more colorful yeah. Number 1 frog and fish which one more colorful okay good the fish is more colorful the fish is more colorful okay number 2 you can see this one shirt right anyone like shirt con cho chật pe are you there now we have number 2 and also this one what is that cap หมวกนะ cap this one shirt or t-shirt okay now we are going to compare what when you see this what adjective we're going to use to compare អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងកន្លែងនេះយើងយក adjective មួយណា adjective expensive អញ្ចឹងយើងនឹងសួរទៀតណា which one is more expensive បើយើងចង់សួរ which one is more expensive អញ្ចឹងពីរនឹងមួយណាថ្លៃជាងនេះ the shirt is more expensive the shirt is more expensive okay now look at picture number 3 what is that that is on the table something on the table that is the food or the here animal candy and cookie so it means cookie and candy you like candy you like cookie okay now let's us compare what adjective we are going to use this adjective មួយណាយើងយកមកប្រើប្រៀបធៀបនៅឡើយនេះ delicious can you say delicious okay delicious so which one the question the same question which one is more delicious which one is more delicious the answer របៀងស្ករគ្រាប់ហើយ cookie មួយណាឆ្ងាញ់ជាងកូនYes, the cookie is more delicious. Okay, now we compare. Look at this. Look at it. Wow, that is the gazelle is running, and the rhinoceros is stay on like the handsome one. Number 4. Okay, number 4 here. Okay, Let's look at number 4, rhinoceros and the gazelle. What we're going to compare on this is talking about the graceful. So between rhinoceros and the gazelle, which one is graceful? Which one is graceful? Okay, the gazelle is more graceful. Actually, the rhinoceros and the gazelle are graceful, but the gazelle is more graceful. Okay? Okay, now we're going to compare with the less. We look at the 4 picture of that. Between frog and fish, we can ask question between of them, which one is less colorful, fish or frog? Frog is less colorful, fish is more colorful, but if the frog is less colorful. Okay, look at number 2. Which one is less expensive? Which one is less expensive? Shirt or cap? Mùi ná thao chiếng. Mùi ná asai thai chiếng thao chiếng cứ cap mũ. Okay, number 3. Cookie and candy. Which one is less delicious? Which one is less delicious? Candy. Wow, great answer. Okay, number 4. The gazelle and the rhinoceros. Which one is less graceful? Which one is less graceful? The rhinoceros is less graceful. Okay, let's look at the whiteboard now. Okay, now let us read. You need to comparing animals. Let's learn more. Page 16. C. Ask and answer. Questions and answers with more and less in comparing 2 things form. 1. Which one is more colorful? The fish is more colorful. Which one is less colorful? The frog is less colorful. 2. Which one is more expensive? The shirt is more expensive. Which one is less expensive? The cap is less expensive. 3. Which one is more delicious? The cookies is more delicious. Which one is less delicious? The candy is less delicious. 4. Which one is more graceful? The gazelle is more graceful. Which one is less graceful? The rhinoceros is less graceful. Okay, you have to take note in your notebook right now. You put the date here. Cô đã ngày ti này đi mất á, ngày cọt chùm lon tập anh máu. Cho con sắp được bỏ dưỡng rồi hỏi cô mình toát có hôm này thành cào nừng. Ok, ở con trán chụp kia ở video cào tiết. Ok, xin cảm ơn con ở kia để sang cầm liệt. Đầm bay cà pi sập tập phía pi chấm ngữ ở cô về đọc bổng buồn. Đòi cào ở để sang cầm liệt, bẹp má hay nâng liệt đáy. Cột về về lìa, bảo mình chăm bách công trình kịp thiệt. Và họ chia sẻ tiết con mơ kèm, con lên kèm trở về nè, gặp khôi bà nè, gặp vụ nâng kèm, đang prang riêng nè con nè, prang riêng này, ở con trán chụp nghe video rồi. Thân nặng sắc xa pi trong ngày, hôm nay pi sa ông kle, thân nặng ti prang môi co nâng kho, số một đệ sa cùng biết, vẹn má, nâng liên sập át đáy ở bản nhất.